Hi everyone, I've just come to share with you a little kit that I've put together. I have been asked quite a few times if I could make some more of these up, so I've made a few today. There will be 4 of them available. I'm only going to show the one, but they are all the same. Apart from the bead dangle kits that I've put together, the beads will obviously be different. So I'm just going to move some things to the side. I didn't count how many pieces were in this, but I think there is in total about 100 pieces here. So I put 2 clasp envelopes, so you can use like the large one as a journal cover, and there's plenty of tutorials out there showing you how to turn one of these into a cover for your journal. And if you're a dab hand at making them, you already know. So there's a smaller one that you could make a smaller journal with, or you could incorporate it into a journal. So you have 2 of these. There is 10 coffee dyed, well I think they might be tea dyed. There's a whole mixture of coffee and tea dyed papers in my stash. So is that. There's 10 of them, folded in half because it will make it easier for shipping. There is 2 lined coffee dyed papers, and again they're just folded in half, and some squared paper which has been tea dyed, tea or coffee dyed, can't remember. So then we have, let's move some of this out of the way. There is 4 Edith Holden book pages, which you can do lots of different things with. Tracy Fox has got some lovely ideas on what to do with some of these pages. They're just random pages out of one of the books. I've got quite a few of these. So some's got writing, some's got images on there, so there's 4 of them. Then there is 4, these are dictionary phrase pages from it's an Oxford Library book. So there's 4 of them. They haven't been coffee dyed or tea dyed, but you can do that if you wish. There is 2 vintage music papers. Is that the right way around? There we go. Which I sourced on eBay, so I've got quite a few of these. So there's 2 of them that you can use in a journal. We have 10 tickets. There is 6 stamped tags. The Tiffany, Just a Note, and The Story Begins, Make Each Day a Story Worth Telling, Little Moments, Big Memories, and This Book Belongs To. There is 2 paper envelopes which I have made from the envelope punch board. 2 jelly bean soup pockets which are all ready to just fold and glue together. There is 2 guest checks. There is 2 bridge cards. I've used them and turned them into like little pockets one end and tag type things in the middle of the journal. 2 index cards, 2 large index cards, 2 paper bags. These are what I use in my journals. You can trim them down obviously to fit your page. There is 4 small doilies and 4 large doilies. There is some of this crocheted trim, trying to find the end of it. And there's the end. So that is that. There's a metre there. There is 3 meters of white eyelash trim. There is a length of this lovely vintage trim, and that's just in an off-white colour. We have 2 butterflies. You can just trim them to, obviously so they'll be the right way around because these are done so that one's upside down. 2 hearts, 2 fabric flowers. We have 10 butterflies which are blue on that side, pink on that side. Actually there's not 10, there's 8, and then there's 8 tabs as well. You can ink them up or coffee dye them or leave them as is. There is a strip of bling. I just need to take a little sip of tea. There we go. I've got my little tray here because this is a little bead dangle kit. Does everything come out? So in this you get 2 stick pins. There is a selection of beads, can't remember what they're called. Are they bead caps? Bead caps, 2 rondelle beads, and them, that collection, sorry I got distracted then, and then this little collection of beads. So you'll get that in your stick pin. So there's enough there to make 2 stick pins, and then there might even be some left over that you can make your own if you've got your own stuff. So excuse me, that's the kit. Like I said, there's 4 of these available. They will be listed on my Etsy when this video goes up. And if you miss out and want one, then just send me a message on Etsy or Facebook, and I will see if I can get another one done up, but it might not be exactly the same as in laces and beads and things, but I can do the paper side of it pretty much identical. So yeah, so have a great weekend, and I will speak to you all soon. Bye.